It is Friday, February 26th, and I'm gonna do my recap for today, last day of the month. I'm up today $1,210. Mixed feelings. I missed a bunch of trades. I got out when I didn't have to get out. When I wanted to get in another trade, buying power didn't allow me. So I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Honestly, I'm very, very disappointed. Got myself to -$700, managed to make it back, but I'm just not. As you can see here, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all, man. I'm disappointed. It's a green day. I'm up 9,400 bucks for the month. Um, yeah, I mean, which is I'm okay with that amount, but I know I can do so much better. I know I can do so much better than that, so it's very frustrating. Yeah, I don't know what happened today. Fuck. Uh, I mean, let's get into the trades and see what happened. So I went long MARA. I don't know if it call it. That's not bad luck. Obviously, that doesn't exist, right? But yeah, I underperformed, man. So I went long MARA right over here. Why did I go long in the first minute? And then I added. But why did I go long? Because Riot was also had a big move up, and it got got below the daily open, it got above, and then I could see. I don't know if I should have made the chart larger or whatever because I was seeing it from far away. So maybe that's a mistake that I didn't take into account. But yeah, I got in and then I got out, at 32. So right before the breakout, man. I mean, so frustrating. Just in this candle, that would have been, $2,700. Even more because 2,800 dollars. So frustrating and so fucking frustrating. God damn it, dude! How and why did I miss that? I mean, the level two in Thinkorswim is very funky. It's not working well. I'm gonna give it another week, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I'll have to look for another platform. Maybe I can trade in Dash Trader. They have good stuff there. They have good stuff. Honestly, maybe that would be the best idea. Just move to Dash Trader. Hopefully, I can configure the Camarilla pivot points, though the same way I have it here. I don't think that is a problem. But fuck, man. I mean, yeah, it's a mess. I mean, Thinkorswim for the past few days when there's a little bit more volatility, it's a mess. It's I'm honestly very, very I'm very upset, dude. I'm very upset. I missed that trade. I'm just gonna take a look at this for a second. Okay, where is um? Would like to see. Yeah, uh, I'm very frustrated, man. So I missed that trade. It's like fuck, man. And I got into GME and I lost money here. I don't know why. I don't know how. Um, well, a couple of things. I mean, number one, I saw this breakout, retest. I liked it. Why? Because this was not a bearish engulfing candle. It took a few candles, and you can see in these three candles over here, you can see how they have like some support, right? And then I got in. Where did I get it? 935. So I got in this candle for the support of R3. I did have to sit through some pain. I went in with a few hundred shares. Um, but my stop should have been, I guess, halfway here. Maybe I should have waited a little bit more. Well, the thing is, I always have the order since order feature activated here, so I deactivated it because if not, I'm just gonna get stopped out 50 cents or 1 point with a big stock like GME. Doesn't make sense. I have to give it more room to work or not. So I got in, and then I got stopped out because I thought it was maybe not gonna hold. Got stopped out, lost. Lost I don't know, man. Was that like $450, something like that? And then I got in again because I saw, I had more conviction in the trade. I got in with 400 shares, 126.60. It's a good price. And then what happened? I did enter with the order sends order, and I got stopped out 50 cents, $200 less. And then this thing just ripped up. I didn't want to get in. I didn't like the price that much. It was like 128, 129. Maybe I could have gotten in here. I was already just a little bit out of focus, to be honest, man. And then this thing just rips up. There we go. A nice, $3,000 or whatever, and change. And at this point, I'm down like $690. I'm like, fuck, man, fuck. How did this shit happen? What the? Yeah, yeah. Damn. Well, whatever. Tried to regroup a little bit. I guess I don't know. Tried to regroup. I just saw another trade opportunity. Honestly, saw PLTR. I like PLTR. It's finally, I've been trying to short PLTR for the past few days. Finally, it's not hard to borrow. And even if when it was hard to borrow, I couldn't get any shares to short. So saw PLTR. It wasn't my watch list. So this move, it opened above the PD. Sorry, yeah, it opened above the previous day close. Not very strong. As you can see here, it opens up. There's a failure retest, but this is a lower high, and then it has a big gap down engulfing, almost all these candles, and then I went short here. I wanted to see if it could break the daily open. I would imagine that was going to act like a level of resistance, and that was the case. So I went short 24.14. So even before, yeah, I went short this candle and the green candle here, 24.14, and then I even added another 1,000 shares, 24.05. Where did I add? Okay, so in this candle over here, I was a little bit, yeah, I don't know, $1,100. So yeah, covered a little bit around this area over here, 23.87. I wanted my target. My first initial target was 23.62, but I saw this big. I saw these two like more or less resistance candles and a lot of buyers on the level two. So when there are a couple of like big numbers over here, that's fine. But when they're like stacked up like this, what happens often, and this is something that I'm gonna have to adjust, right? Because I had to sit through some unnecessary pain in a way. It's gonna spike up. Many times it spikes the hell up, finds some resistance, then comes back down, right? But that's what happened. So I covered 600 shares, maybe a little bit too much around this area over here, because my initial target was L1. But okay, so I had to sit through some pain, get all the way here. But then I saw like these two candles resistance. Daily open, it was finding resistance there. And again, like the level two was such a mess around. It was such a mess, man. It was just terrible, terrible level two action in Thinkorswim. Dude, what the? Okay, I get it. I know. I see what's happening. But okay, so yeah, and then I just let it go all the way. Then my target, I took a partial right here, 23.36. I took 500 shares. I had 1,500 shares left. After taking here, seeing through all this. First target was here. I let that play out, $500, and then I sat through this move. I wanted to see. I was happy to see some consolidation here. I resisted like this pull. If I was about to get out here, but what I wanted to see if I knew there was going to be like a retest. I mean, I expected there was going to be a retest of this level here of L2, and if it did support and got above the 50s, and I was also looking at this candle over here, the shooting star candle, then I was gonna just exit. But no, it came back down, and I partialed around I partial 23.01, so L3 23.04, 22.98. Like 600 shares, I'm not happy with my exit. I was trading GME, I guess, and I was getting a little bit antsy, and I wanted to just get out, I guess. I should have, eventually it did come up right over here, but I should have given a little bit more room. To be honest, I should have seen a little bit more of the failure. I got out at 12, 10, 12, a little bit early, here. I should have given a little bit more room, see if this level could hold, and maybe see a move all the way back to L4. That didn't happen, obviously, man. It seems that my exit was good. But still, I would have been happier if I would have let it play out. Maybe I get out at the same price, but I get out here, right? When there's been, or I get out here. So when there's been a more of a retest, because you never know, it can come down, and that's a lot of money on the table. So yeah. And then my last trade was GME. I wanted to go GME short. This over here. This is why I really wanted to go short GME. This was a great area to go short. Gaps up. This huge. You see this big engulfing candle over here. Cannot get to R4. Big engulfing candle consolidates over here. Cannot really break out. Huge. Huge spike of volume over here in this candle, in this bearish candle. So, and then there's another one, this big bearish candle. So I wanted to go short here, didn't do it. I don't know. Should have taken it, to be honest. Should have taken it. But I didn't. I regret it. It looks like a head and shoulders formation a little bit, right? So yeah, I went short 10-11. So I was looking for a quick scalp, nothing crazy. Went short here, 10-11, 120, 193. Okay, so right around here, got out pretty fairly quickly. Yeah. See here, it's not more. GME. Oh yeah, I just went with wait. Buy to cover. I took two trades in GME. Huh. That's interesting. Did I input them? Maybe I didn't input them. Let's see. Maybe that happened. Yeah, I didn't input my last trade. Huh. But wait. Did I take the last trade? I did. Or maybe I didn't. Okay, so I didn't take another trade in GME. I thought I was going to take a... Yeah, I guess I didn't. Okay, my bad. Yeah, I missed out the big move over here. Maybe my target should have been the daily open. I got out quickly. Didn't want to... I don't know, man. That's another bad trade. Should have put the daily open as a target. Should have had this level. That would have been a nice $800. Should have had that as a target, not just get out immediately after. Although it did, come back up a little bit. I mean, still on a downtrend for sure. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade it. I mean, it looks like it's, but you never know. Fucking GME can squeeze any time, right? Most likely it's not, but it can still squeeze at any time. Yeah. So yeah, that's my recap. Up 1,200. Up 9,400 for the month. But frustrated. It's not been a great month, man. It hasn't. It hasn't at all, man. Obviously better than last month. But yeah, not a great month. Win versus loss days. My average losing day has been $1,600. My average winning day $1,000. I mean, $1,000 a day is obviously going to keep the job away. That's for sure. I mean, my average daily gain loss for the month $494. So $6 a share, and $6 shy from 500 which would be nice. I mean, since November, that's when I started really picking things up. I'm up $9,400 on average. That would be $112,000, $113,000 if I keep. And I mean, I'm gonna do better. But that's not bad. $112,000 a year. That's to begin. I mean, to some it's ridiculous, right? To some that's fucking nothing. For me, my journey as I am right now, as a 25-year-old, 112,000. That's not bad at all, man. That's not bad at all. And obviously, this is just, and I'm entry level. I mean, I'm entry level trading. So entry level profitable trading. Obviously, it takes time to become profitable and so on. But yeah, I mean, I guess I should be thankful for some things. I mean, yesterday I was down almost 5K, made it all back to $1. So I lost $1 there, but I mean, I've had only how many days I've had only four. I mean, this is a red day, but whatever. Four red days. Honestly, we'll call this a nothing, right? I've had 4 red days. Big red days. Not happy about that. This was not my fault, I guess. I would have reached my target if it wasn't for this fucking. It's not my fault. I didn't realize. Yeah. This month did it. I mean, this week did it. This week, I made $6,700 this week. This is the week that did it, hands down. This was a red week, $600. I was doing great, and then I fucking gave it all away. Had this terrible day. Stupid day. Uh, let's see here. What did I do this day? Yeah, just not a great month, honestly. This is a great week, and I'm happy with this week, but not a great month. Over here, I was up 2,300, gave back half. I was up 1,500, gave back a third. Um, yeah, I had to like battle through being down. Like this day, I was down too. I think I was down like 700 and got all the way back up to 1,800. So I've had to battle a lot this month, man. I had to battle a lot, and I'm not happy. It was not the cleanest. But now enough of complaining. Like, I mean, I'll do a review for tomorrow more in detail. But yeah, I have to take playbook trades. I have to take playbook trades as I did. I mean, I did take a few playbook trades. It just didn't happen. I mean, not today. Today there weren't that many playbook trades to be honest. Like GME, that is not a playbook trade. Um, it's not open between R3, R4, or above R5, or L4, L5. But still, it's a good setup. Breakout holes 90 MA, retest of the high. That's like a done deal breakout trade. MARA. This is also a great setup. I just cannot believe I got out of it. I should have maybe reduced my size. Like, why get out of it? Just reduce your size a little bit. Test the waters out. Reduce half. If it does break out, add half. Another, add another add another tier. Yeah, I was looking for a short over here. I was with PLTR. Oh, and then this was the big, this was the fucking, this pissed me off, man. FUTU. Oh, it's a hard to borrow. Damn, I didn't realize it was hard to borrow. That's why. So maybe it wasn't buying power. But talking about a playbook trade. So this is a playbook trade. Doesn't really matter where it comes from, but came from between L1 and R1. It got almost all the way up to R4, and I saw like the resistance here, and I went short 42 on 942. So right in this candle, it was right around here because I saw the rejection. I saw small candles here. I was risking, it was a little bit of a risky trade because I would have been risking $800, give or take. But it was just a good trade, and look how it came all the way back down, man. Yeah, shame, dude. Shame. That was a shame. That's why I'm frustrated. It was a rough day, man. It was a rough day. I'm happy with PLTR though. I'm happy I showed patience. I only took like 600 shares around here off. That's just some pain, but look, I obeyed my rules, partialed out here third, and then got out of the last 1,000 shares around here. I'm happy with that. That's good trading, man. That is good trading. That's how it should be. That's how it absolutely should be. That's how much money. Let me see how much money did I make. Yeah, so I'm red in GME, 325. I'm red, $36. Who cares? And MARA, and I'm up $1,500 in PLTR. That's fine. That's fine. But I have to improve, man. I have to improve a lot. Next month, I'm going to be more responsible with my losses. My average winning trade, 583. My average losing day, 400. I mean, that's the highest average I've had, any month, right? I think January wasn't the best month either. 329. And then December, and it's not because I'm trading with more size, honestly. I'm just letting things run more, I guess. December, 217 average loss, and November, I guess November was trading smaller, 238. So yeah, I mean, since November, 75%. It's not bad to 75% green days, 57.19. That's fine. This month was a bit higher in average. So this month I'm up almost 80% green days, 78.9, 79%. So yeah, next month, yeah, I'll do I'll do a video tomorrow talking about what is gonna be my strategy for the next month. What are gonna be the guidelines, the strategies, the objectives. Pretty much I made, almost all the objectives. I did keep trading with more than $750 loss, which is a mistake. And that should be set in stone. It is going to be set in stone. So, and then, but look, I have just small adjustments, man. I have to make small adjustments here and there. I have to make small adjustments. Yeah, giving back a lot of profit. Yeah, giving back a lot of profit many days, man. Like this day, giving back a fucking half of my profits. I have to make small adjustments, man. I'm improving. I'm in the right direction, but I have to make some adjustments. Well, I'll talk about those more tomorrow. And I'm gonna go to the gym, have fun, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, have a good one.